here we got another winner. Now he chose the battle pass. It's OG Killer. He's on the back. And that's exactly what he wanted. He wanted the battle pass instead of any skins. So we're going to go ahead, go into battle pass. And right here is the battle pass. So remember to sign up. I'm going to give you guys the instructions at the end of the video. But first we have to give out the battle pass. There's a lot of people trying to join right now. Anyways, we're going to start off with OG Killer, who won the battle pass. And that's all he wants instead of anything else. So we're going to have to scroll all the way down and look for his name in order to gift out the battle pass. Now remember, once you gift out the battle pass, you're supposed to get it right away. So don't believe people that tell you that they sent you a battle pass and yet you never got it. That doesn't happen, okay? It doesn't take 24 hours or 48 hours. It's actually right away. Alright, so finally we got to OG Killer. He's right here. So we're going to select him. Press square to continue up. We can choose any of these. So when it comes to battle passes, I usually like to do this. And then we're going to send out the gift. And there we go. We send it out. We can go back. And we're going to check out OG Killer. Make sure he got the gift. And there we go. You put on your skin to see whether you guys have. Did you get any other skins from your battle pass that you can put on? There we go. That's your other skin that you got from the battle pass. Okay, perfect. So there you go. Congrats. You guys can sign up again. Anyways, that would be it. Congrats again to all the winners. And right now, if you guys want to participate, you guys just have to follow these 3 simple steps. Number 1, go right into your item shop. Down here below, you guys will see support a creator. Just tap right there and you guys will type in, just enter tech and design just like you see it right here. Accept. That's step number 1. Step number 2, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Tech and Design. So just hit subscribe. Step number 3, below in the comments area of this video, you're gonna type in, I want to win a free skin battle pass emote back bling. It depends what you guys want to win, just type that in. So in this case, if you're signing up for a free skin, type in what skin you guys want. If you guys want the battle pass, if you're signing up for that, then it's the battle pass. So be specific what you guys want, and in the end, just type in your epic username. And that's because I have to match up your epic username with whatever name you guys are using right here on YouTube. Anyways, that would be it. All you guys have to do is follow those 3 very simple steps and you're all done. That's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.